Hi all, this is Gokul from Great Value Academy. Today we are going to see few important concepts from the non-profit organization which has the weightage of 10 marks in the board exam. One question of 6 mark, one question of 3 mark and one question of 1 mark will be the weightage of this topic. So there are few particular points for which a special attention is required. We shall follow one by one. The first point we are going to see is the subscription. As the total amount of subscription will be shown in the receipts and payment account, but the entire amount will not be captured in the income and expenditure account because the income and expenditure follows the accrual basis. In receipts and payment account, it is a cash account in which all the cash transaction relating to a particular period will be recorded. Therefore, there is a small calculation which needs to be done to find the true subscription which needs to be credited in the income and expenditure account. It is the total subscription received at outstanding subscription in the current year and subscription received in the previous year for the current year less subscription received in the current year for the next year and subscription received in current year for the previous year. And the second point would be the donation. There are two types of donation generally. It is the general donation and the specific donation. If a donation is given for a general purpose, then it will be shown in the credit side of the income and expenditure account. If nothing is specified, it should be generally treated as an income and credited in the income and expenditure account. And the third one is the legacy. Legacy can be dealt in the two ways. There is no hard and fast rule to credit or shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. If the amount of legacy is so high, we can show in the liability side, and if the amount is so small, we can credit it and show us in the income and expenditure account. And the fourth one is life membership fees. Life membership fees should always be capitalized. That is, it should be added with the capital in the current year balance sheet. And the fifth one is the entrance fees. If anything specified in the question about the entrance fees, then it should be dealt in the same way. If nothing is specified, it should be shown in the income side of income and expenditure account. The next point will be the sale of the assets. In case of sale of assets, the organization will either incur a profit or loss. In case of profit, the profit will be shown in the income side of income and expenditure account, and in case of loss, it will be shown in the expenditure side of income and expenditure account. And the next point will be the sale of periodics. Sale of periodics is always shown in the income side of income and expenditure account as it is in revenue nature. Payment of honorarium. The payment of honorarium is always shown in the expenditure side of the income and expenditure account as it is in revenue in nature. Endowment fund. The endowment fund will be shown in the liability side of the current year balance sheet. Government grants. If the government grant is specified, then it will be shown in the capital, that is the added with the capital in the current year balance sheet. If nothing is specified, it would be shown in the income and expenditure account in the income side. And the next one is the special fund. If the special fund is invested, it will be shown in the asset side of the current year balance sheet. Any income or expenditure relating to the investment will be adjusted with the investment fund which is shown in the liability side of the current year balance sheet. Hope you have got some prior knowledge about the non-profit organization. Subscribe and stay tuned for updates.